Hello everyone, I'm Satya here. Welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to see one of the traditional sweets called Puran Poli in the north and Paruppu Poli in the south. So let us see how to make this recipe. For this we have taken 1 cup chana dal or split Bengal gram. We have washed it well and we are soaking it in water for 2 hours. In case you want to cut short the soaking time, you can soak it in hot water for just an hour. Now we are going to cook this dal in a pressure cooker by adding 2 cups of water to our 1 cup dal. We have allowed 2 whistles. After the pressure is gone, we have drained the water and transferred it to a colander. And now I am just mashing it. In case you don't want to use a masher, you can pulse it in a mixer. And now we have taken 1.5 cups jaggery. I am lightly crushing it in the mortar and pestle. As you can see, we've got both dark color and light color jaggery. Mix of both. Doesn't matter, take whichever jaggery you want. And to our 1.5 cups jaggery, we are adding half cup water. And keeping this pan on flame. The jaggery has dissolved after some time, and after this we are going to allow it to simmer for 5 more minutes. And after that, now we have added half cup grated coconut or nariyal, and now I am adding the mashed cooked dal and stir continuously on a low flame until it thickens. It has thickened a bit now, and now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder or elaichi powder, and 1 tablespoon ghee. At this stage, we have just given it a stir for a minute. This is the texture. Don't make it too dry also. And now I've switched off the flame. With this puranam or filling, you can make many other sweets too. So now let us see how to make the outer cover. For this, we have taken 1 heaping cup or 125 gram maida. And to this, we have added 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder or haldi, and 1 tablespoon sesame seed oil or til oil. You can also use ghee instead. Let us give this a mix. And now I am adding water. You add water as required. We need a very loose dough. We needed to add 1/3 cup water. This dough is going to be even looser than a paratha dough. So now we are going to let this dough rest for at least 45 minutes. We allowed it to rest for 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, I am greasing my palms with oil and also the banana leaf with oil. And I have made 4 balls out of the outer cover and 4 balls out of the filling or puranam. And do not miss the step of greasing the banana leaf with oil. Keep greasing your palm also with oil and then spread by patting like this on the corners. Now I have added the filling and I am joining all the corners like this. Gentle does it. Do it gently and it will be easy. Now we have to spread the puranam or filling evenly. Do this gently, press very lightly in the middle but press more in the corners. And now we have heated a tawa, dosa tawa. The tawa is hot. Mind you, it should be hot when you put this. And we have removed the banana leaf now and we are cooking it on a low flame. After about 15 to 20 seconds on one side, we have flipped it to the other side and I'm adding ghee. Allow it to cook, again flip, again add ghee, and if it is cooked on both the sides, you can remove it. Awesome poli is ready. Who will not love it if you make polis like this? So I hope you enjoyed watching this video of how to make Paruppu Poli. If you did, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching Desilicious Kitchen.